मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा।
Subscribe now.
Golly, what happened? Got tired so quickly? Friends, I have an idea. Why don't we play tag on skates?
Hey, Tappu, what an idea!
Wait, I'm coming.
Hey, come on!
Tired, Golly?
I'll catch you right now. I'm saved. Hey, I didn't do anything. Let's play. I'll catch right now. Right now.
Hey, what happened?
Oh my God. Bide uncle scooter. Run.
Today is such a peaceful day. I'm falling.
Hey, Popatlal.
Dad, why are you sitting here like this? Sit comfortably on the sofa at home.
Hey, Tappu. Because of you, Tappu. Otherwise, I would have been at home right now.
Oh my God! Who knocked over my Sakaram?
Huh? What kind of yoga pose has Popatlal done?
These kids broke my face with my own umbrella. I'm not even married yet.
Oh, but uncle, earlier your face was little crooked, but now it has become completely straight.
Just look, what a mess you guys have made of the society.
Hey, Depo.
Oh, just look, my Sakaram is also ruined.
Hey, Bhine. The scooter was already a wreck. Now get a new one.
You kids, do you know anything other than causing chaos? Do some peaceful work, like reading a newspaper, reading a book.
Bide uncle,
Huh?
I do other things. Eating pizza, eating ice cream, and eating chocolate too.
Hey, Goli, get out of just thinking about food.
By the way, Bide uncle, the stomach is bigger than the brain.
Hey!
Bide uncle, Tappu is not made for all these things. Ha! Oh, yeah! Come on, friends! Join
The music is awesome, isn't it?
Uncle, skating is our superpower and anyone can read books. And if you guys skate like us, then we will stop skating forever.
Hey, Bide, if we skate a little, this trouble will be gone forever. Yes.
Yes, yes. How hot can it be? I will shake the world.
Take it.
Hey, Bhide, you came in between. Otherwise, I was doing good. Huh?
Oh, it's very difficult to shake the world. Sorry. Don't let go of the umbrella.
No, Papatlal. And why should I let go? This is a very big problem, brother. What should I do?
Hey, Kapu, these guys turned out to be champions.
Hey, wait and watch, Kogi.
Oh man, these kids have started laughing at us. Oh, come on, friends. Now we have to show some magic.
Hey, Chetaman! Hey, brother! Hey, let go of my leg! I will fall!
Come on, guys. We'll also show some magic.
What are these people doing? I can't understand anything. Uncles, anyone can do it by holding each other.
Hey, guys, listen. Come here. I have a great idea. Listen. Hey. Understood? Isn't it awesome? Huh?
I have never seen such a boring skating. Oh.
It's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun. Right, kids? Move away. Move away.
Hey, Jeta, let's take an even bigger round.
Yes, Sodi. Now we have learned completely.
Hey, Dad, stop! Don't go out! You haven't even learned properly yet! Dad!
Hey, Mom, it's a lot of fun. Come on. Today, let's roam the whole city.
Hey, this is very dangerous.
Dad, there's a slope and you guys don't know how to apply the brakes! Oh, Dad, stop!
Here they are.
Mom! Oh, wow! Tapo, you got your dad addicted to skating too. Hey, Mom, those guys don't What? What? Oh my goodness me. Don't you dare stop me now. Hey, Mom. You haven't learned to apply the brakes either. Topo's done. I'm coming.
Hey, sorry, Paw Patrol! Wait for me! Wait for me!
Hey guys, move it, man! Hey, be careful, man! Water! 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 Somebody give me water! Give it to me, man!
Hey, at least pay for my water before you go.
Finally some peace, man. What is this? Hey, what is happening, man? Can't see anyone. Hey, someone help me, please. Hey, man.
Hey, oh my God, a ghost has come, run! Yeah.
Hey, this is so easy. I am having fun. How do you brake on these skates? Hey! Oh, coconut water. I'll drink it considering it a holy offering from God. What?
Boy, where did this coconut come from? This is empty.
It hurts! It hurts!
Who are they?
Move aside, move aside!
No, no.
Oh, this is so much fun.
What a great lift I got to go to school.
Uncle, let's go. Stop, Uncle. We have reached the school.
Oh no, Popatlal. That was a close call.
Yes, Sodi. I didn't even know how to apply the brakes.
Uncle, do you need help to move forward? Bye, Uncle.
Sodi. Sodi. Sodi, let go.
Boy, today was a very dangerous day, man. I barely made it.
Hey, someone stop me, please. Hey there.
Topo's done.
Hey there.
Don't be afraid. I am here.
Hey there. Do you know how to apply the brakes?
No, but I have just come to support you.
Oh, what? Are we going to make pickles together or no?
Oh no, we will live together, we will die together, we will also skate together.
Man.
You guys don't be scared. I will stop you. You just lean forward and apply the brake like this.
Tapusan, if I knew how, I would have applied the brakes long ago. Do something. Hey, Tapu, this is a cool idea.
Ready?
Huh?
Hey, Mom, Dad! Slow down, slow down!
I told you to stop, not to increase the speed.
Oh no! Gogi, take this rope!
Got them! Oh my! They pulled me instead!
What is the way that will make them stop? Goalie!
Goalie! Oh no! Move away! Move away, goalie!
Come on, Uncle. Come on.
Oh no! Tapo's dad! It's good that you are safe and sound. Yes, you have become a bit dark, but it's okay with me.
Look, our son has dragged my face through the mud. And you're making fun of me in the mud.
Look, don't say anything to my Tapu. He has saved our lives. Yes.
But Tayaji, he was the one who put lives in danger by giving that challenge, right?
Dad, whatever happened now, from today we will stop skating. Because you turned out to be a champion in this.
Oh, no. Skating should be done daily. We also had a lot of fun. Right, friends?
Oh, yes, Jetha.
Absolutely correct.
I had a lot of fun today. From now on, we will skate every week.
Huh? Be careful, Babuji. Huh?
Hey, Shahrukh Khan, you handle yours.
No, I won't drink it. Tapu dear, you have to drink the milk. Please wait. No, Mom.
Hey, Jetya, catch him. Hey, caught him.
Here you go, Bapuji. What is this, Bapuji? He ran away again, huh?
Got him!
No.
Here, take this, Jetya.
Bapuji! Yeah. Huh?
Hey, why are you drinking milk? Tapu just ran away.
Hey?
I got him.
Hey, Tapula, drinking milk gives you strength.
Gogi, you? And Sonu, you? Both of you? Unbelievable. Today again the entire Tapu Sena was forced to drink milk.
Yuck. We don't like drinking milk at all.
Then why do our parents force us to drink milk?
Because milk comes to the house, that's why. Idea! From tomorrow, no milk will come to our homes.
Impossible, Tapu.
Don't underestimate Tapu.
Aha!
Yay, Tapu Sena!
Gives me milk, my Buffy. And with a dark face and red hair, Buffy gives me milk. With a dark face and red hair. Ah. Where did the lion's roll come from?
Go, my dear lime, go!
Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! What is this? Oh, it's just a dog.
Babuji, today also we have to make Tapu Sena drink milk somehow.
Yes, Jetya.
Oh, he's coming.
Attention! Tapu is ready! I will drink milk, drink milk! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Mommy! Give me milk!
Tapu, are you feeling all right?
Yes, Papa, I'm perfectly fine. What happened? Huh?
Eh? Because today you are asking for the milk to drink by yourself, son.
Grandpa says that drinking milk gives you strength.
Daya, bring the milk.
Yes, I'm coming.
Eh?
Here it is. The milk. Huh?
Here, give it quickly.
Oh, the milk hasn't come today.
What? Then what is there in the glass?
It's empty. I'm saved.
Huh? Then why are you roaming around with an empty glass?
Tappu's father, if you don't see the empty glass, how will you know that the milk hasn't arrived today?
Oh.
Mom, I really felt like drinking milk today. The milk didn't come today. Let's go play. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Buffy gives me milk, a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk. Huh?
Friends, today our wolf will scare away Uncle Bunsey. Huh?
Huh? Moti! Hey, Moti, my son!
Our plan has failed. Uncle Bunsey turned out to be very smart.
Hey! Hey!
He brought a dog even bigger than our dog.
La 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 la. Moti! Hey, Moti!
This plan of ours has failed, Tappu. We will have to drink milk again today.
To solve the problem, we must go to the root of the problem. Let's go to Uncle Bunsey's stable.
Hey, dear! I love Buffy more than my own children. You also take good care of her, understand? I will return from the village by tomorrow evening, okay?
You go without worry, master. I will take good care of her.
Did you hear that? Uncle Bunsey is going to the village.
Tomorrow we will kidnap Buffy and take her away.
Yes, if the bamboo's gone, the flute can't play.
What does that mean, Sonu? It means no buffalo, so no milk. Yes.
Bathe Buffy every day and don't tie her up. Buffy doesn't like to be tied up.
She's a strange buffalo.
And yes, never call Buffy a buffalo or she will get annoyed.
You should have told me this.
This first, master.
Oh my goodness. I won't spare you. I am telling you. My name is Harya. Harya. Did you hear me or not, you buffalo? Oh no, she's chasing me.
Huh?
Buffy. Dear Buffy. Oh, how lovely you are. Now the fun will begin. You are throwing me around a lot, huh? Now try throwing me, you black buffalo. Huh? Say Buffy. Don't say buffalo. If I don't call a buffalo, what else should I call it, huh?
Oh no, he tied Buffy up. Kapu, now how will we kidnap Buffy?
Now I will neither bathe you, nor I will give you anything to eat. And I will not untie you also. Just stay tied up here, hungry and thirsty, you damn buffalo.
Friends, we shouldn't kidnap Buffy. We should help her. Yes, but Harya will catch us. Oh, don't underestimate Kapu. Yeah.
Huh? Oh no, all the milk is spilled. Whoa, what do I do now? What happened? How did my milk spill? Oh no. Huh?
Hey, how did she get free? Kids, where did these kids come from?
Hey, wait! Where are you running? Huh?
Hey, somebody help me! Hey, thank you, Buffy.
You killed me. First, let me tie up this buffalo very nicely. Then I'll teach you all a proper lesson. You devilish kids! Huh? Oh my God, she threw me down again. Today I will not spare you, you buffalo.
Hey, look there! Harya is running after Buffy to beat her up.
Come on, let's run away from here.
No, friends. We have to save Buffy. Let's go. No.
Help!
Stop! You can't hit Buffy.
Huh? After Buffy, it's your turn now. You devilish kids. No!
Cactus.
Come on, get out of here.
Hey, Gogi, what are you doing? Let's go.
Oh man, it's so hot today.
Yes, Tapu. Buffy must be feeling very hot too. I hope she doesn't get sick.
We should give Buffy a bath.
But how will we bring so much of water?
We can't bring the water here, but we can take Buffy to the water, right?
Hey,
Yes.
that's a great idea. Let's go.
Oh no, sorry sir.
Hey, sir, did Buffy go out here?
Yes, but it's been while since she has went out.
How long?
About 5-6 hours.
What? 5-6 hours?
But Buffy left the stable 2 hours ago.
Here it has been gone for 5-6 hours. The heat has made things terrible.
Exactly which Buffy are you talking about? I am talking about Bansi Kaka's Buffy.
Buffy is Buffy. What's the difference between its Bansi Kakas or Bilchu Kakas? Now look, the electricity doesn't come, but how high the bill is.
Yeah, I'm talking about Buffy. I'm talking about the buffalo named Buffy.
No, Buffy, stop! Stop!
Have you seen any buffalo passing by here?
I haven't seen a buffalo leaving, but I have definitely seen a buffalo coming.
Meaning?
Oh, Buffy! Wait. First, let me check if there are any guards around. The moment you see anyone coming, just let me know. Yeah!
Teppo, two guards are coming this way.
Oh no! Hey Buffy, come on, hurry up! Come on!
Quickly hit this buffalo with sticks and shoo it away.
Hey, Tapu.
Wipe up properly. Buffy might catch a cold.
So the buffalo is tied up, and here goes her fans. Hey, where are you running? Oh, Master, these mischievous children have kidnapped Buffy.
Don't you lie, Harya. I have heard everything. You have troubled my Buffy a lot, understood? I know these children have saved my Buffy's life.
Well done, Tapusina.
You have all done a wonderful job, kids.
Harya, I will not spare you.
Stay away, Master, or else I won't spare you either.
This buffalo, with the help of these kids,
Have beaten me badly. I won't spare them.
chutney out of you.
No, Sodi uncle. This is our fight. This is a matter of Tapu Sina's honor.
Yes, you can do this, kids.
What's this? They are all defeated in one go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh dear, my goodness.
Hey, haven't you had milk, huh?
Yay!
Eh?
Ah.
Uncle, don't underestimate Tapu Sena.
Forgive me, please forgive me. I
I have made a mistake, kids.
Did you see, Tapuda, how much power milk has, huh?
Yes, Grandpa. The entire Tapu Sena will drink milk every day.
Yes, Grandpa.
Promise.